What's up mga Quiz mga atis? Welcome back sa aking channel. This is Quiz Anat at ngayon araw papanoorin natin yung international trailer ng pinakabagong movie ng tampalang Kim Chiu at Paolo Avellino. May title na My Love Will Make You Disappear. So hindi ka ito patatakali pa papanoorin natin yung trailer at na may bibigay ko yung reaction at opinion ko on the said trailer. So let's go!
Wala siguro talaga akong karapatan maging masaya.
Hirap magmahal. Sana makuha ko naman yung pagmamahal na hindi nawawala.
Anong pakiramdam nun?
Kaya mo ba nung may mag-aalaga sa'yo, yung may magmamahal sa'yo?
Kaya ko naman mabuhay mag-isa.
Walang nasasayang sa pagmamahal, tandaan mo yan. Yung apo kong si Bocho. Siguro magkakasundo kayong dalawa.
Good morning! Freshly baked bread! Kasing fresh ko, pampatamis ng ngiti sa umaga. Anong tingin-tingin mo dyan? Di ba dapat ako rin tatanong sa'yo niyan ngayon?
Si Ate Sari pinabol mo, no? Gusto mo siya, no?
Anong meron kay Sari?
May sumpa yun!
Sumpa.
Na tuwing may hinahalikan siyang lalaki na mahal niya, nawawala. May ganun ba talagang pagmamahal? Yung hindi nawawala? Yung hindi kayo iiwan kahit ano mangyari?
Ngayong nandyan ka na, di magmamadali.
Ano na sa takot na?
Hindi ba sapat yung pagmamahal ko para mawala lahat ng takot mo?
Di na maghanap ng kung anong
Sari.
sa mga tanong dahil ikaw.
Nandito lang ako.
Hindi na ako bibitaw. Ngayon ikaw nagkasayaw. Kung meron mang kulay ang aking nagsisilbid ang law. Ikaw ay dilaw.
Okay, dahil ko napanood natin yung international trailer ng My Love Will Make You Disappear na pinagpibidahan nga ng tambalang Kim Chiu at Paolo Avellino. So parang ito yung follow-up project nila after yung successful na series nila na, yung dalawang series nila na kalimutan ko. Basta yung last is yung Secretary Kim, I think. Dita. So yun. So medyo matagal yung follow-up project nila pero ito. So it will be released this month, diba? So masasabi ko sa trailer, it looks good. Maganda naman yung trailer. Hindi naman siya disappointing pero yun nga, pagdating sa storyline, nakuha ko na agad yung ano yung magiging kwento ng movie based on the trailer alone, diba? And based on sa nakita ko, it's not an original storyline. We've seen this not a lot. Hindi naman natin nakita sa lahat sa maraming movie or series. Pero we already seen this kind of storyline, diba? And actually, medyo na-disappoint ako dito kasi I was expecting that they will do something more mature, diba? Kagaya nung unang series nila, diba? Nung silang tatlo, si JM, Kim and Paolo, na more mature yung role nila, then biglang bumaba sa pagiging pa-cute, love team na naman, diba? So medyo disappointing na I wish they did a movie na that will showcase talaga ng talent nila. So and maybe they did this movie para sa fans lang talaga. It's more for the fans. Pero sa akin as a viewer, I'm not really a fan of this love thing, pero actually, I'm not a fan of any love them at all. Pero yun nga sa akin, I wish they gave them a better movie na that will showcase their talent, their acting talent. Kasi nga, these two were already proven na magagaling na artist na to, magagaling na drama actor, drama actress. So yun, medyo na-disappoint lang na ako na they went back doon sa pagiging love team, pa-cute, diba? So, parang hindi na ito yung era nila. They are not young anymore to do such kind of movie na about love team, diba? Okay na yung love story, but to the level na more mature. Pero ito, diba? So, pa-cute lang. So, again, I'm not saying na it's bad or pangit storyline. But again, I was expecting something more. Especially yung pag-showcase ng talent nila. And, well, this is a commercial movie, so we expect something na that will only cater to sa mga fans lang talaga. So, if you're not a fan of this love thing, then could expect something new. Just me, well, I'm not disappointed nga ako, di ba? So, again, kita naman natin, magaling yung acting ni Paulo sa King sa movie. And, yun, a very typical star cinema movie na laging nakapase sa love team, nakapase sa drama, diba? So, kapag may nabubuong love team talaga kasi sa ABS-CBN, normally ang bagsak nila, they will make movies na focus sa love team, diba? So, they will not do a movie na something na that will also give the reality, yeah? So, yun. So, kayo mga quiz, and also pala, bago ko tanongin yan, napansin ko hindi siya masyadong napopromote. Well, because nasa GMA sila, so limited lang yung promotion ng movie na to. So, kapag may showtime lang, saka lang napopromote. But, nonetheless, well, yun. So, I hope maganda pa rin maging result nito. Especially, it's a star cinema and it's an ABS-CBN, so expect na something na ikita pa rin to despite of lack of promotion, lack of yung, diba? So, yun. Okay, next week na yung palabas nito it's 26, diba? So, March 26, so next week na yun. So, medyo kulang sa promotion. Actually, ngayon ko lang nalaman na mayroon pala silang movie nung after binanggit din na Kim Chiu to sa show na It's Showtime, kaya nakaroon ako ng interest. Chinek ko, 1 week na pala yung trailer nila na i-release, pero ngayon this week ko lang nalaman na may movie pala sila. Well, I heard na may sila ginagawa, pero I never thought na it will be released by this March, diba? Yung movie. So, yun. So, hopefully, so yung mga fans ng love team ng Kim Pao ata ang pangalan ng love team nila. So, if you really love your love team, diba, support it kasi medyo lack of promotion yung movie. So, there you go. So, kung nagustuhan nyo man yung trailer ng What My Love Make, I'm sorry na. Check ko. My Love Will Make You Disappear. Mag-comment kayo dito sa baba. At kung gusto nyo naman pinag kong comment or reaction about the movie, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba. And I will read all your comments and I will try to interact with you guys. So, yun. Thank you very much and have a nice day. And please don't forget my channels, the YouTube channels. The Alan Ski Show. Proudly from the vlogs. Ano pa? Matlang People Presents and Baganda ng Usapan. So, visit those 4 channels, diba? So, there you go. Maraming salamat. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.